Okay, so today I'm going to show you guys how I straighten my hair with my Babyless Nano Titanium Flat Iron. The first thing you want to do is, so you can see how frizzy my hair is. The first thing you want to do is make some sections. And comb your section out. Divide your section in half. Go as close to the root as possible. This is like the best flat iron. So I'm just going to continue making my sections until I reach all the way to the top. So just continue making your sections at least 1 inch apart, 1 inch in thickness. If your hair is very curly, of course you'll have to make smaller sections if it is curlier than my hair. So I sell these flat irons in my salon, so you can't get them through me. I would also link down below the exact flat iron, so you'll be able to purchase it. So just follow the link, or you can contact me. I will put my information down below as well. Oh, and I forgot to mention, before I started to flat iron, I prepped my hair with some thermal serum. This is Rusk thermal serum. So you can also get this through me, or I will link it down below where you can get it as well. So you can actually flat iron your hair all the way back if you want to. But I find like it's easier for me to flat iron it, you know, making sections to the front, started from one side all the way to the other side. I have no idea how long I have not flat ironed my hair. Wow guys, look at this. Look at this. Yeah. Isn't that amazing? And I hope you all notice how shiny my hair is. The nano titanium actually locks moisture in, so it looks super shiny. It doesn't look dry at all. It's such a good flat iron. In fact, I've had this one for years, so it's kind of looking old. If you all could see, it looks really, really old. But that's just to tell you, I mean, they last you so long. So I don't know if I want to wear my hair in the middle part. I don't think it looks too cute on me, but maybe, I don't know, I feel like it, but I don't feel like it. Let's see how it goes. I'm kind of in a rush because I'm going out in a little while and I'm already very late. Let's make a middle part and see how that looks. So my hair is good. I just want to put a little bit more serum on my ends. Okay, I definitely like a side part better. So I'm just going to tease the inside a little, back comb it, just to get a little height. Take the time and smoothen the top. I am going to use my Rusk Pro Spray to just get those little flyaways in place. All these products I will link it down below.